This is a tutorial to use the Easy Touch Pro control system. To log into the system, tap the touch screen to bring up the keypad and enter the password. Enter the preset password 1111 to access the home page of the system and press enter. The emergency alarm message will appear. Press OK to activate the emergency stops. The system will ask for confirmation. Press OK. In systems with SIL3 category emergency stops, press the control Start Go button for 3/4 seconds to activate the emergency stops. If the system is already configured, wait until all the hoists are connected to the system. A message will appear indicating the function to be performed. Take control. Press to take control. This is the system homepage. The page functions are locked. To unlock the system, press the padlock icon. Enter the preset password 3333 to unlock the system's functions. To insert the hoists, press the Select Hoist button. Position yourself on the desired square and set the hoist number 1 or 2. Press Enter. Press Select Hoist after finishing entering the machines to be handled in a group. Powered and the Ethernet cable is connected. You will begin to see the load and position. To remove one or more hoists, press Select Hoists. To clear all saved hoists, press and hold the Clear All button for 3 to 4 seconds. To move the hoists, press the selected channel and you will see that the bar will be colored green. In manual use, press the up or down button. Press the Go Wide button in the door of the cabinet or rack, and the hoist starts to move. If in the display you see the green color, the system is fully functional. If there are anomalies or error of the settings, you will see the background of the ready display. The hoists can be selected individually or all at once by pressing the Set All button. To clear the selection, press the Clear All button. More than 16 hoists can be added to the group by using the arrows at the top of the screen to navigate to the next page. 14:30 seconds. If a hoist is activated but it is not connected, the error message connection alarm will appear. Check the connection. Press the reset button and wait a few seconds for the system to restart. Deselect the hoist, then check the connection. Press this button to access the hoist group setup. Here you can configure the acceleration and deceleration, soft start and stop of the group. And individual hoist overload underload limits. And the upper and lower soft limits. Encoder base limit switches. Memory group management and target position setup for automatic operation. Set a target position. Enter the name of memory group. Save by pressing the Enter button. Press this button to save the memory. Select the memory location where you want to save the configuration. Confirm if you are sure you want to save, or override the new memory. Press the Yes button. Press Man Control for automatic positioning. Auto control will appear and the window will turn yellow, indicating that the system is operating according to the target position. The system will operate automatically. Save or override the memory. Save new memory. To load the saved memory settings, press this button. Pay attention when selecting manual or automatic mode. Manual mode memory. Automatic mode memory. You can save different parameters for each memory group. Any modification must be saved by overriding the existing memory. Overview of system functions. Essential operation to use the system. Identify the machine zero position. Chain hook fully lowered position. Enter the setup menu and enter the password 1212. The home screen will change. Tap the hoist icon to enter the hoist setup menu. This is the hoist setup page. This page is reserved for the installer and allows access to the machine configuration settings. Warning! If the system prevents movement during installation, the safety functions may be temporarily disabled. Re-enable all safety functions immediately after completing the correct setup. Save the encoder 0G position reference for each hoist. Set the zero position by pressing and holding the yellow Set button for 3 seconds, until the confirmation checkmark appears. Press the Set button for 3 seconds. Here you can set the upper and lower soft limits of the hoist. Here you can find additional parameters. Set the cooling fan parameters if available. The cooling fan is installed on hoists with a lifting speed above 8 meters per minute. Cooling fan activation setting, light blue. Overheating alarm setting, red. Brake status monitoring, open or closed, brake switch. Low cell configuration settings, usually pre-configured. Overload and underload configuration. Set the overload threshold to 20% above the rated load. Verify the maximum lifting load indicated on the machine data plate. Internal board relay status. The configuration can be copied and transferred to all hoists. The 0G position must be configured separately for each individual hoist. Error message: hoist not connected. When the hoist is connected, the functions are shown in green, enabled. If they are shown in red, the hoist is not connected. Select the hoist type, vertical or horizontal. All hoists are now in the 0G position. Load the saved target position from memory and press go. The hoists will automatically move to the selected position. Additional system functions. 4 memory groups with 4 preset positions each. To use these quick setups, the page must be locked by clicking the padlock icon. Press No 3-4 times to unlock the page. 3333. Here you can adjust the speed of the hoist group. Button for selecting multiple groups at the same time. Check the group configuration in the multiple selection section. Soft start and stop. Overload and underload. The system will use the parameters of the first selected group as the reference settings. Press this icon to configure different target positions for each hoist. Press this icon to configure different target positions for each hoist. Select this button to enable the function. The icon will change state and turn green. Change the target value. Only the hoists with a green active icon will move to a target position different from the group setting. You can set different positions for the hoists within the same group. Pay attention to the position. You must activate the green button here and the green button here. Click the same icon again to close the setup window. Click this icon to configure different speeds for each hoist. Set the desired value for each hoist and activate the icon. Click the same icon again to close the setup window. Save the changes to the memory preset. By clicking the gear icon and entering the password 2222, you can access the setup. Here you can view and customize the passwords and access the hoist setup. To change the hoist IP address, leave only the hoist to be configured connected. Click the gear icon and enter the password 4444. Enter the IP address value of the hoist to be modified, for example hoist 1 equals 101, inside reset IP hoist. The green indicator light appears. Press 3 sec. Search. If the hoist IP address is unknown, start the search from 101. Press search again 3 sec. To stop, the system informs us that the hoist 4 is not connected. To change the IP number, press RSTIP for 3 sec. The IP address will be restored to the factory default settings. .254. Enter the new IP address, set IP hoist, and press set IP. Hoist no. 1 will now be assigned as hoist no. 5. Digit number 5. Now we will review some error message. Group soft limit up alarm. Check the upper limit setting configured. For the group and the hoist position, soft group limit 5000 Press reset to restart after checking the parameters and position. Hoist up limit switches alarm. Check the stromic limit switch settings. The system allows only the movement of the hoists in down position. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please contact us at info@unirig.it or visit our website www.unirig.it.